worry. But right now, because you allowed me to be here on stage, I won't let go of this opportunity to live my dreams. Siyempre, nandiyan na kayo. Mas kaya gusto ko maging Miss Universe ako. Ayan, Miss Universe will be on Tuesday or tomorrow. You need not wait because right now we're doing it right here at the Plaza Hotel. Pabayaan niyo ako mag-Miss Universe. Would that be okay? Alright, I'll do it now. Parang namang may raffle yun. Music please. Good evening ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Plaza Hotel Las Vegas. The site of this year's Miss Universe Beauty Pageant. And here are the ladies all over the globe in their traditional parade of nations. Together with the 101 Dalmatians. Beginning with Miss Colombia. Buenas noches, amigos caballeros. Mi nombre es María Camarita Giuseppe y Alba, representante de la Nación de San Juan de Bogotá, Colombia. This is best in national costume. Here's Miss Costa Rica. Sí, señor, una poca de gracia para bailar la bamba. La poca de cama no puede castar puerta, me regla Costa Rica. From the land of the beautiful women, here's Miss Venezuela. Gracias. Puñeta. From the land of the rising sun, here's Miss Japan. Решаем сами, ступите как и нас красив, кунда, не как чуть-чуть, да, придите его уши. А не ступите забавки со сками, потом куки, ками, муки, пайко, осапна. Панталуго, кининам, Japan! From the land of herbs, curries, and spices, here's Miss India. Amoy Bombay. May pula sa gitna ng kilay. My name is Dimasa Isratpo. And I represent the payakan ng Kumot Colombo, Kanji at Calcutta. Uutang ka ba? India! Now, from the Pearl of the Orient, our very own, our pride, here's Miss Philippines! is Miss Iraq. Ratatatatata, Iraq! The man of vodka and ballerinas is Miss Russia. Good evening. My name is Vichelaya Kaklog Yarina Gustova, and I represent the Union Soviet Socialist Republic of the former USSR. If I will not win in this contest, I will declare nuclear war. So people of the world, the judges, watch out! And last but certainly not the least, this is Miss Congeniality, Miss People's Republic.